everyone, and welcome to Hands on Science. Hey, Carr.
What's up, Mel?
Hey.
I've got quite the thing to show you today.
I see something very interesting.
We are going to play with a magic balloon today.
Magic balloon.
And we are going to need some matches, so please, if you do this activity at home, make sure you ask for permission and also adult supervision. So we've got our matches.
Okay.
We're also going to need a candle. And I have a balloon for you.
Okay.
And I have another balloon here.
Uh-oh.
Yep. So we're going to leave this balloon right there for now. The tape's just to hold it so it doesn't roll away from me.
Okay.
Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to light this candle. And you're going to take your balloon and you're going to hold it over the candle.
Oh my gosh.
What do you think is going to happen?
It is going to pop, Carr. I need my 2 fingers and my hands so that I can close my ears.
Okay.
You really want me to pop it?
Yeah, hold the balloon over the candle. Here, do you need some help? Okay.
Woo!
So your prediction was correct. The balloon popped and it also blew out the candle.
Right.
Okay. Now, I have another balloon and we are going to do the exact same thing.
And yours is going to pop. I'm going to close my ears.
Okay, so you hold your ears.
Close my ears.
And I'm going to hold this over
watch out. It's going to... Hey, it's not popping.
It's in the fire.
Right?
There's a black mark there.
Yeah, right. Wait. Hold my ears again. Close my ears. Why isn't yours popping?
Here's the difference between your balloon and my balloon.
Uh-huh.
Your balloon, I just blew it up.
Yes.
This balloon, if you look closely, you can see a little bit of water in there.
There is water in it, yes.
And so when I hold the balloon over the candle, the water is down on the bottom and also being held over the candle. Isn't that cool? And the balloon doesn't pop.
Very cool.
So guys, if you think you know why this balloon with a little bit of water doesn't pop, leave us a comment below on why you think this works. And if you enjoyed this activity as much as I did and as much as Mel did, please subscribe for more Hands on Science.
Bye guys.
We'll see you next time.